The Nespresso Vertuo Up Solo is a compact, stylish coffee machine that brings cafe-quality coffee straight to your home in seconds. With one-touch brewing and fast heat-up, it delivers rich, smooth coffee. What's in the box? In the box, you find the Vertuo Up Solo coffee machine, cup support, Nespresso capsule set, water tank, and user manual. Product overview. How to use. Fill the water tank up to about halfway, then adjust the cup shelf to match your mug size and place your cup. Turn on the machine using the cup button. It heats up in just 3 seconds and is ready instantly, even if the Wi-Fi icon is flashing. Insert a capsule by lifting the lever and placing it sideways with the foil facing forward, then close it firmly. Choose Coffee Creations mode if you want a shorter, stronger coffee, or keep it off for a standard brew. Press the main button to start brewing, and once finished, lift the lever to eject the used capsule into the internal container. How to pair. To connect the Vertuo Up, download and open the Nespresso Smart app, sign in, and scan the QR code located on the machine's drip tray sticker. Enable Bluetooth on your phone, keep the device within 1 meter of the machine, select your Wi-Fi network, enter the password, and follow the app's pairing instructions until the Wi-Fi indicator becomes solid. Once connected, you can customize cup size and temperature, save settings for individual capsules, adjust water hardness, access machine care features, and receive updates directly through the app. How to clean. When the maintenance button turns steady orange, it's time to descale the Vertuo Up. Eject any used capsule, empty the maintenance module, and fill the water tank with 0.6 liters of water mixed with 1 Nespresso descaling solution. Place a 1.5-liter container under the coffee outlet, activate descaling mode, and start the first descaling cycle. Once the cycle is complete, empty the container and maintenance module. Refill the tank with fresh water and run the rinsing cycle. After rinsing, clean, and dry the maintenance module, wipe down the machine, and the Vertuo Up will be ready to use again. Smart features? The ultra-fast 3-second heat-up system gets the Vertuo Up Solo Ink ready to brew almost instantly after powering on. It reduces waiting time and ensures a quick, convenient coffee experience whenever you need it. The one-touch smart brewing feature automatically reads each capsule's barcode to determine the ideal brewing settings. It delivers the correct coffee size, extraction, and flavor profile with a single press of a button. The Coffee Creations mode lets you brew a shorter, more concentrated version of compatible coffee capsules for a richer taste. It adds flexibility to your brewing experience, allowing you to enjoy different coffee styles from the same capsule. The Nespresso Smart app connectivity lets you connect your Vertuo Up to your phone via Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for smart control. It allows you to customize coffee settings, receive alerts, and access cleaning, descaling, and recipe features directly from the app. The compact and modern design of the Vertuo Up Solo Ink saves counter space while fitting easily into any kitchen setup. Its sleek ink finish adds a premium, stylish look while keeping the machine lightweight and easy to place anywhere. Specifications. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Vertuo Up coffee machine. See you at the next one.